Welcome viewers, I am Saurabh Rakheja, Faculty Hotel Management, IHM Chandigarh. Welcome to Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, under which we have Dekho Apna Desh series. Here we will demonstrate a famous snack from Gujarat as well as from Dadar and Nagar Haveli. We have Methi no Gota. Methi means fenugreek leaves and Gota means balls. For preparing Methi no Gota, the ingredients we have is fresh fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. We have fresh coriander leaves, dhania. We have gram flour, besan. We have black pepper powder. We have ginger, garlic and green chili paste. We have asafoetida, we call it hing. We have crushed coriander seeds. We have sugar. We have sesame seeds. We have salt. We have red chili powder, turmeric powder, semolina or suji. Then we have meetha soda with us. And for frying we have hot oil. Let us start with the preparation. We take the basic ingredient besan, we will leave little besan for the curry as well. Now in this we will add little ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder for flavoring, hing, coriander seeds, sugar, sesame seeds, salt as per taste, red chili powder, bit of meetha soda, semolina, suji, 1/4 of besan, and little turmeric for color. Now we will add fresh fenugreek leaves, green coriander leaves, green coriander leaves not only impart color but they also impart flavor to the dish. Now we will mix. Now we have mixed all the ingredients properly. To turn the mixture into a thick paste, we will add little oil to it. The oil should be hot. This will give crispiness to the pakoras. Now we are going to put the mixture into hot oil with our fingers. So we need to sanitize our fingers. Please remember that we need to leave our hand for 20 seconds so that the sanitizer evaporates from our hand. The basic preparation for making finally the gotas, we have kept paper napkin on a plate, we have the batter ready, we have some water for dipping our fingers so that we can leave the besan what sticks to our fingers. We have the temperature of the oil as medium hot. Now let us prepare the balls for frying. You can make the size of the gotas as per your choice. The indication that they are done and they are crispy. So we can see that they are floating on the surface of the oil, and we will take them out gently. You can see, if you want more darkish color, you can go with it. As per me, I like light yellow color. We can feel a very good aroma from the fresh fenugreek leaves. The excess oil will be absorbed by the paper napkin. We have fried all the gotas, and now we are going to check the quality of the gotas. They are crisp from outside, but they are fluffy and soft from inside. At the same time, we are going to prepare curry for the gotas. We are going to prepare curry, which is an accompaniment of gotas. Let us see the ingredients. We have mustard seeds, we have methi dana, fenugreek seeds, we have coriander seeds, we have whole red chilies, green coriander for garnishing, ginger chopped green chilies, dahi, we have chili powder, we have turmeric powder, we have salt, we have besan and water with us. Now we are going to prepare mixture for the curry. We will take first of all dahi. The dahi should be slightly sour in taste. We will whisk the dahi so that no lumps are being formed. The consistency of the dahi has to be diluted with little water. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. This dahi and water mixture has to be thickened with besan. We add salt, turmeric powder gives color, chili powder, Our mixture for curry is ready. Simultaneously, we will start the tempering for the curry. We have taken some oil and we will add whole red chilies to it. Now, as our red chilies have swollen up and they change their color to black, we will add coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, green chilies, and ginger chopped. Let them saute in the oil. As the items start crackling, we will add the liquid mixture to it. As the curry is cooked, you will get a very good aroma out of it. As we can see, the curry is cooked and it is viscous in nature. Now we will finish with some sugar. This will give sweet and sour taste to the dish, and lastly we will finish with some green coriander. Now our curry is prepared to be served accompanied with methi no gota. Now we will see how the gota is served.